Hi everyone, Yuvar here from VPMA. In this quick video, we're going to go over how we can download and run the Control-M usage reporting tool. The Control-M usage reporting tool is typically used to generate reports to measure peak usage across all of your Control-M environments for license auditing and compliance purposes. Before we get started, we want to make sure we run the usage reporting tool on a Windows host that has access to our Control-M EM database with at least Java version 1.7 or later installed. Now, if you've already downloaded and installed the Control-M GUI client, you should have the usage reporting tool as well, so you don't necessarily need to download it again. You can simply check by going into your search bar and searching for usage utility. In case you don't already have the usage utility downloaded, you can download it from the BMC products download page. To do that, we can navigate over to bmc.com. Once we're on the BMC website, we want to navigate all the way down. Go into downloads, product download tool. In case you're not logged in already, it may ask you to log in, so go ahead and log in. And from here, we can search for usage utility. This should be the first option that we see, the Control-M usage reporting tool. We can click on this version box here. It'll take us to the download page. And from here, we can select and download the product. So now that we have our usage reporting tool, let's go ahead and run it. So now we can navigate to the folder that has our Control-M usage reporting tool. And from here, we want to make sure we run it with administrative privileges. So right click, run as administrator. And you should get a pop-up like this. From here, we can click on next. And this should be the next panel that you will see. From here, we want to enter the details of all of the Control-M environments that we want to include in our report. So we can click on this add button. In the environment field, we can enter our environment's name. So if it's production, we can put prod. Next, we have our database type. This is our Control-M Enterprise Manager database. For me, it'll be Postgres. In the host field, we want to enter the host name where the Control-M EM database is located, and a lot of this information can be found in your Control-M Configuration Manager. So going into our Configuration Manager under our Enterprise Manager database, here we can see our database host and any additional details such as the port. So I can copy my database host name here, enter it in the host field. Again, we can double check the port. It is in fact 5432. In the user field, we want to type the username of the database account that owns the Control-M EM database. So for me, it'll be CTM-EM. And of course, we want to enter the respective password for this user. And finally, in the database field, we want to type the name of our Control-M EM database. So for me, it'll be CTM-EM. Now, if you have additional environments, you can add them as well to your report. So you run this report for all of your Control-M environments at the same time. In my case, I only have my production. So from here, we can click on next. Here we want to make sure all connections are successful, and if they are, we can click on next. And now our report is generated. We can simply save report and share with our BMC account manager. Thanks for watching.